Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain about poem chapter 4 Paper Boats. The poem narrates the child's experience of floating paper boats down the stream. The child imagines that some other child tries to compete with his boats by sending clouds down the air in the sky. Then down the air to race with my boats. At night he sees dreams in his sleep. He dreams in his sleep and the poem is day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. Rabindranath Tagore is an outstanding poet of modern India. The poem narrates the child's experience of floating paper boats down the stream. The child imagines that some other child tries to compete with his boats by sending clouds down the air in the sky. Day by day, he floats paper boats down the running stream. प्रत्येक दिन वो अपने पेपर बोट को नज़दीक के स्ट्रीम में तैराता था. He sends them with intention that of curiosity. He writes his name and address to these boats. He hopes that somehow someone will find them and knows him. वो बड़े बड़े लेटर से उसमें अपने नाम लिख देता था इस उम्मीद के साथ कि कब कोई न कोई कहीं भी उसे जान पाएगा. I load my little boats with Shively flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms set down will be carried safely to land in the night. I launched my paper boats and took up into the sky and see the little clouds setting the white bulging sail. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. The child hopes deep sense of love. He wishes to present his unknown friend with valuable gifts, so he hopes that his boat will carry the flowers safely to the distant land at night. At night, he sees dreams in his sleep. The dreams about his paper boats. He sees that he is happy to know that angel and sailing in his boats. Thus the poem shows keen interest to child's mind.